Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide tabs in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature when you're working with multiple sheets and want to keep your workspace clean by temporarily hiding sheets you're not actively using, or when you want to prevent accidental edits to certain data. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account if you have multiple ones set up. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your files and documents are stored. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to hide and unhide tabs. This will open up your Google Sheets file in a new window. Now, let's say you have multiple tabs in your spreadsheet. In my example here, I have two tabs called Sample and Numbers. For this demonstration, I want to hide the Numbers tab. This could be helpful if you're sharing your screen or just want to focus on specific data without the distraction of other sheets. To hide the tab, right-click directly on the Numbers tab. A small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Hide Sheet. As soon as you click it, you'll notice that the Numbers tab will disappear from your view at the bottom of the screen. Don't worry, the data isn't deleted, it's just hidden from sight. The tab is now successfully hidden and won't be visible to anyone viewing the spreadsheet. Now let's move on to unhiding that tab. To bring it back, look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheets window and click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with various display options. From the list of options, click on Hidden Sheets. Google Sheets will then show you all the sheets that are currently hidden in your spreadsheet. You'll see the name of the hidden sheet appear, in this case, Numbers. Next to it, there will be a Show option. Click on Show, and just like that, your hidden tab will reappear at the bottom of your screen alongside your other visible tabs. The sheet is now unhidden and fully accessible again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide and unhide tabs in Google Sheets, giving you better control over your workspace organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.